This bearing is to make sure that you don't go too far. It holds you, it guides you. You'll start high, and then you'll work your way deeper. And you kind of get down on the ground, or you get eye level with it, and you turn it down to see where your blade is. It's okay, I just need one anyway. So this is the bottom. It just has a little bit of a mark. So let's unscrew this. And then this will go on the inside edge. So when you feel the inside of the bowl, it's not a square, it's kind of round. That's why this has a rounded edge, like a bowl. It's a great shot. Yeah, we did good. We're going deeper because I feel good. It feels good to be back. It feels good to be the king. King of what? Next step is to get this, all that hogged out. Router, I hardly know her. That's what this baby is for. This baby is gonna go and just a single flute straight bit. In my next video, I'll be routing and sanding this tray so I can oil it to finish.